Hello everyone, in this video we will quickly see our understanding on a basic but powerful tool known as price to earning ratio. Price to earnings ratio is a fundamental metric used in stock analysis. It helps investors assess a company's valuation relative to its earnings. Price to earning ratio is a valuation metric that gives investors a quick look at how the market is currently valuing a company. Understanding the price to earning ratio is crucial for making informed investment decisions and evaluating the potential for stock growth. The price to earning ratio is calculated by dividing a company's current share price by its earnings per share. This ratio provides insight into how much investors are willing to pay for each rupee of earnings, indicating market expectations about future growth. This ratio gives you a multiple, sometimes referred to as a price multiple or earnings multiple by investors. Let's see interpretation further. A high price to earning ratio may suggest that a stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. A low price to earning ratio might indicate an undervalued stock or poor future prospects. It is very important to consider industry price to earning for better interpretation. Always look at the fundamentals of the stock along with its price to earning ratio in comparison to industry price to earning ratio. Price to earning ratio really shows its strength when comparing multiple companies within the same industry to understand how each company is valued. You can use this ratio to make more informed decision about which company may be better value for your money. Keep in mind that using price to earning ratio to compare companies across industries is not very useful. Different industries will have different standards and expectations that will affect price to earning ratio. For example, companies within the technology sector usually boast much higher price to earning ratios than companies within the consumer staples sector. For this reason, it is not recommended to use this ratio as a basis for comparison across different industries or markets. Thanks for watching this quick short but informed video. We will come back with a new one explaining how industry price to earning ratio is calculated. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel.